Dictation number 689. Why didn't I write the number down? This assignment, we have 22 words to dictate, 22 words. I think, again, it's easy. I think it's a little bit easier than last time, but it is fast. Remember, the goal of dictation is to be able to catch everything in one go. That's real life. Okay, maybe 2 times. Maximum 3 times. That's the goal of dictation. All right, because in real life, if somebody's talking to you, right, and you don't understand, so they say it once, but you're like, oh, I'm sorry, could you say that again? And then they say it again, and then you can say, I'm sorry, my English is no good. Could you say it one more time? And then they say it again. And if you don't understand after the 3rd time, it's no good. So that's why dictation training is really important. Join my classes. You know, I've been teaching dictation for almost 40 years, and I can give you a free lesson. Just down in the comments, write the word lesson, and somebody will contact you and will give you a free lesson. Or simply go to my webpage, letsmasterenglish.com, or email us, contact@letsmasterenglish.com, and ask us for a dictation lesson, and we'll send that to you, okay? Yeah, it really is important. And we love teaching it. It's so much fun teaching it. Okay, so anyway, Daily Dictation 689, 22 words. This is excellent advice from a millionaire, a very successful man. He's giving advice. So whoever you are, this is worth listening to, but first we need to do the dictation. So we're gonna listen 3 times. Good luck. Together, let's master English.
The world becomes a better place when a man plants seeds for the future generations for shade that he will never enjoy. The world becomes a better place when a man plants seeds for the future generations for shade that he will never enjoy. The world becomes a better place when a man plants seeds for the future generations for shade that he will never enjoy.